Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to learn how to calculate percentages, a skill that's useful in exams, shopping, banking, and everyday life. What is a percentage? The word percent comes from Latin, percentum, meaning out of 100. So, 75% means 75 out of 100. For example, if your test score is 80 out of 100, that's 80%. Working out percentages without a calculator. Here's a simple method to quickly estimate percentages. To find 1% of a number, divide it by 100. To find 10% of a number, divide it by 10. Let's try an example. Find 35% of 250 kilogram. Break 35% into 30%, 3 lots of 10%, and 5%, 5 lots of 1%. So, using our method, 10% of 250 kilogram is 250 divided by 10 equals 25 kilogram. Then, 30% is 25 times 3 is equal to 75 kilogram. 1% of 250 kilogram is 250 divided by 100 equals 2.5 kilogram. Then, 5% is 2.5 times 5 equals 12.5 kilogram. Add together. 75 plus 12.5 equals 87.5 kilogram. So, 35% of 250 kilogram is 87.5 kilogram. Using multipliers for percentage change. A multiplier is a decimal number that helps you increase or decrease an amount by a percentage in one step. For an increase, add the percentage to 100%, then convert to a decimal. Example: increase by 8%. Add 8% to 100% to get 108%. Convert to a decimal by dividing by 100, which equals 1.08. For a decrease, subtract the percentage from 100%, then convert to a decimal. Example: decrease by 15%. Subtract 15% from 100% to get 85%. Convert to a decimal by dividing by 100, which equals 0.85. Multiply the original amount by the multiplier to get the new amount. Example 1. A jacket costs £140. It goes up in price by 12%. What is the new price? Find the multiplier. As the price has gone up, add 12% to 100% to get 112%. Convert to decimal. 112 divided by 100 is equal to 1.12. Calculate the new price. 140 times 1.12 equals £156.80. So, the new price is £156.80. Example 2. A train ticket costs £40. It's reduced by 20%. What's the new price? Find the multiplier. As the price is reduced, subtract 20% from 100% to get 80%. Convert to decimal. 80 divided by 100 is equal to 0.80. Calculate the new price. 40 times 0.80 equals £32. So, the sale price is £32. Example 3. A bicycle costs £200 before VAT. The VAT rate is 20%. What's the new price? Step 1. Find the VAT multiplier. To add 20% VAT, add 20% to 100%. Write 120% as a decimal. 120% equals 1.20. Step 2. Multiply the original price by the multiplier. £200 times 1.20 equals £240. The price of the bicycle after VAT is £240. Reverse percentages. You can use multipliers to work backwards and find the original price. Meaning, divide the new amount by the multiplier to get the original amount. Let's go back to the question in example 1. A jacket costs £140. It goes up in price by 12%. The new price was previously calculated as £156.80. Consider the question as: a jacket goes up in price by 12%. The new price is £156.80. What was the original price? Find the multiplier. As the price has gone up, add 12% to 100% to get 112%. Convert to decimal. 112 divided by 100 is equal to 1.12. Calculate the original price. 156.80 divided by 1.12 equals £140. So, the original price is £140. Another example. A total bill is £360, which includes 20% VAT. What is the bill before VAT was applied? Step 1. Find the VAT multiplier. For 20% VAT, the multiplier is 1.20, because 100% plus 20% equals 120%, and 120% as a decimal is 1.20. Step 2. Divide the total price by the multiplier. £360 divided by 1.20 equals £300. So, the price before VAT is £300. And another. A dress is £80 after a 20% discount. What is the price of the dress before the discount was applied? Find the multiplier. Since the dress is discounted, subtract 20% from 100% to get 80%. Convert to decimal. 80 divided by 100 is equal to 0.80. Calculate the original price. 80 divided by 0.80 equals £100. So, the original price is £100. Key points. To calculate a new price after a percentage change, multiply the original amount by the multiplier. To calculate the original price, divide the new price by the multiplier. Percentage profit and loss. To calculate profit and loss, begin by finding out how much money was made or lost from the sale. This is done by subtracting the original purchase price from the selling price. Work out the percentage profit or loss. Next, to understand how significant this profit or loss is, compare it to the original cost. Divide the profit or loss by the original price, then multiply by 100. This gives you the profit or loss as a percentage of what you originally paid. Example 1. Suppose you bought a bicycle for £120 and sold it for £150. What is the percentage profit? Start by working out how much money was made from the sale. £150 minus £120 equals £30. Next, consider how significant this profit is by comparing it to the original cost. Percentage profit. £30 divided by £120 times 100 equals 25%. So, you made a profit of £30, which is 25% of the original cost. Example 2. A retailer buys a refrigerator for £270 and sells it for £250. What is the percentage loss? Start by working out how much money was lost from the sale. £270 minus £250 equals £20. Next, consider how significant this loss is by comparing it to the original cost. Percentage loss. £20 divided by £270 times 100 almost equal to 7.41%. The retailer made a loss of £20, which is about 7.41% of the original cost. I hope you found today's session on percentages helpful. Please share your thoughts or questions in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Learning Maths the Easy Way. See you in the next video.